Hey guys, Redbeard here. Hey look, if you've been following along, you know that Zep's football team, the Troy Trojans, have done an excellent job this year. And my thoughts outside of it, I can't separate it completely. But I believe they could have went all the way. The last game was rough, okay? But to celebrate, we're cooking a bunch of pork. We got some other stuff going on. We're having a campfire tomorrow night. And here we go, 70 pounds of pork butt. Prepped, semi-cooked, getting ready to roll it in paper. I do not like foil, just don't like foil. I do cook in foil pans, oddly enough. But I wrap in paper to mute the smoke, slow down the heat, finish the cook, right? So I go like 4 hours unwrapped, I roll them, rotate them, and I do 3 hours wrapped in paper. In the final hour, we'll rip the paper and let them breathe and finish up. So, guys, we got a lot going on, man. I've been cooking all afternoon. I started the fire at 11 o'clock this morning, had the meat on a little before noon. And here we are, we're 4:20 in the afternoon. And I'm gonna wrap these up in paper and put on the smoker. Now it has been raining the entire time, not exaggerating. It started raining as soon as I come home this morning and it has not stopped. Hopefully it lets up. I've got like the fires of Mordor. We could melt down a ring in there if we needed to. But we have been able to maintain temp. And the meat's looking pretty decent. I do have Redbeard's Thunder Dust and Redbeard's Thunder Juice. And I brought back some diced, candied garlic jalapeno, really small dice from Louisiana. So some of this meat will be more equal than other. So I'm looking forward to it tomorrow night. It's gonna be a really good time. Probably got about 75, 80 people down here around the campfire. We met, guys. Don't want to tie it all up with this. We do have a new windshield washer mechanism, a squirter, as you will, for the waffles. We'll have that hooked up. I did grab a new battery for the, well, that didn't work. I grabbed a new battery for the gantry. We're gonna be in good shape there. Hopefully get the body lifted off tomorrow. And I gotta change the oil in Betty. So got a lot to do. Short time to get there. It seems like they wrote a song, made a movie about that. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll just see how it goes, man. But thanks for checking us out, following along. We're going to make this happen. So we should have some off-road footage tomorrow night. Zep is going to take waffles out and beat on her. We'll have the Razor up and going. May even have the little Honda running around. We'll see how it goes. Things may get wild. But anyway, talk to you in a bit.